There are many of us today that are going through many different challenges. Some of them to do with our health, some of them to do with our finances, some of them to do with our families. And then we have the challenges that we as an ummah are facing. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring to us relief. This is something that we're all going through. And that then led me on to the second point that I wanted to make. And that is that if there is one thing that the month of Ramadan symbolizes, if there's one thing that the month of Ramadan shows to us or brings for us, it is that the month of Ramadan is a time of hope. There is hope in the month of Ramadan. Hope because, as the Prophet told us sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this hadith by itself is sufficient to show to you the great opportunity of hope and reward that Allah Azza wa Jal brings for us in this month of Ramadan. When the month of Ramadan enters, the gates of Jannah are open wide, and the gates of the fire are locked and sealed tight, and the devils are chained. This is a month of hope for those who wish to earn Allah's pleasure, for those who wish to earn Allah's reward, for those who wish to come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This month, despite all of the challenges that you may be going through, despite everything that you see and hear that's going on in the world with our fellow brothers and sisters, this month, it is a month of hope.